We often get asked, what is Creatrix actually doing? And so today I want to break down the 5 stages of a Creatrix breakthrough so you can better understand how revolutionary and thorough this unique for the female gender breakthrough process actually is. Creatrix starts by releasing the pains, everything from the past up until now. It's releasing everything that stems from the past that we can dig up in you. And it releases the whole issue. The stresses and tension, the out of context emotional reactions, the overall perception that causes the problem, the need to think and ruminate and obsess, the need to remember negative events, the need to attract events that cause the same patterns, behaviours and responses. Releasing it thoroughly, cutting the ties. It's breaking the entire intergenerational cycle and behavioural cycle. So we're actually releasing everything from the past. The heart, brain and gut then relearns all that you need, releasing as they learn at a deep cellular genetic level until it creates a healthy overall perception, meaning beliefs, thoughts, emotions and repositioning of values, which causes the entire cycle to be broken completely. We are all conditioned. We have all learnt what we know through experience and from other people. If it was read from a book, someone wrote the book, and it's the author's beliefs and perceptions you read. If it was taught to us in a seminar, someone said the words through their beliefs and perception. Through all of that learning, we've put filters on, and we see all of that knowledge through those filters that are our belief systems. Our belief systems are what have gotten us stuck. We need to retrain the unconscious mind to believe what it needs to believe to support us in stopping that, which allows the release, so that we can actually move forward with a higher intelligence at an emotional and mental level. You actually learn what your mind, heart and gut instinct all need to learn so that it stops the programs it's running. And these learnings are what reinstalls the new programs. Now, if you understand the science of epigenetics, then we are recoding your DNA through Creatrix. We have known through epigenetics that when a person breaks entire belief systems, value structures and thought patterns of the family, then they stop running the family patterns, including the inherited disposition to experience certain inherited diseases that are usually triggered throughout our lives. Now, if the science of epigenetics is true, then we have recoded your genes and cells to behave in a different way. In other words, they don't have to bother sending signals and messages to the body to believe this belief, to think this way, to behave this way, and therefore ending up stuck. We're recoding the DNA inside the nucleus of each cell. Now, in some cases, women who have had Creatrix have told us that their urine smells after a breakthrough. This is because you're actually releasing physical toxins. And then Creatrix helps you to reframe. You see everything in a new perspective, in a new, fresh light, giving you more choices that you couldn't see before, creating healthier automatic responses and outcomes. It reframes your entire perspective of yourself, the world, and other people. It reframes your entire belief systems, thoughts, programs, and strategies so that you can move forward with better, different outcomes that are in alignment with your highest good. Basically, it causes you to be able to make better choices. And then you can recreate. Recreating is where all of the work that Creatrix has done enables you to be able to make better choices. So you can recreate a new world for yourself when everything internally has changed. Once we create the internal world, you can go out, and what happens is you automatically recreate your desired external world. This, in a nutshell, is the 5 stages of Creatrix, and it's what enables us as Creatrix transformologists to guarantee client outcomes 100% of the time with 100% of the problems for 100% of the people.